Super weather.
Breezy and warm for us here on this Wednesday. Temperatures will be a touch warmer compared to where we were yesterday. Yesterday we had high temperatures widespread in the 70s. Today we'll make a move up into the low 80s. A lot of sunshine again to go around as we are heading through the day today. Temperature by noon already into the mid 70s. And again into the afternoon we'll see our high temperatures into the low 80s. Forecasting 83 today for us in the Metroplex. We do have some locations out to the west that do climb into the mid and even upper 80s today. So it will be a warm day across the board. Breezy south winds will be with us as we are moving through the day today. And those temperatures, as mentioned, climbing above normal. As we head towards tonight, we'll fall back into the mid 60s with mostly clear skies around with just a few clouds pushing their way through the area. Winds do continue to stay a little on the breezier side, still coming in out of the south between 10 and 20 miles per hour. As we get towards the day tomorrow, temperatures starting to inch their way back up into the upper 80s here across the region. Low 90s out towards the west tomorrow afternoon, and the winds tomorrow will be a little bit stronger, still coming in out of the south, but tomorrow we could get gusts closer to 30 and 35 miles per hour. Things start to change as we are wrapping up the week and getting into the holiday weekend with rain and thunderstorms moving into the area on Saturday. We'll be looking at rounds of rain and storms, and some of them will be heavy at times, and we could even have some severe weather thrown into the mix here too. So a lot to watch as we get into Saturday, Sunday, still dealing with some activity for the first part of the day, but I think by Sunday afternoon we'll start to see some clearing and some sunshine will be back in the forecast before the day is done. So here's what it looks like on Friday. The clouds will be thickening up. We could start to see some activity up towards our north and to our west by the time we get towards Friday evening. And then Saturday we're looking at rounds of rain and thunderstorms. Again, some of this will be heavy and there is the potential for some severe weather here across the region. And then by Sunday morning you'll notice the activity starting to work its way to the east. Drier conditions arriving by lunchtime on Sunday. We'll start to see some sunshine as we move towards the afternoon and early evening time period. We could be looking at a lot of rain here across the area as we move through the next couple. Some spots upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rain in the purples and the pinks there, and then areas to our south, 1 to 2 inch rain amounts will be a possibility. Temperature is not going to be quite as warm as we move into the weekend with the rain and storms around. We're back into the upper 70s both Saturday and Sunday, and then into Easter Monday, still looking at some sunshine.
Sign up for super weather.